How to put ink cartridge in printer. 1. Turn on the printer and open the access cover. Begin by powering on your printer. Locate the access cover, which is usually at the top or front, and open it to expose the ink cartridge area. 2. Wait for the ink cartridge carriage to move into position. Once the access cover is open, the ink cartridge carriage will typically slide to the center. Wait for it to stop moving so you can easily reach it. 3. If replacing, press down to release the old cartridge and pull it out. If there's an existing cartridge, gently press down on it to release it from its slot. Pull it out carefully to avoid damaging the printer. 4. Unpack the new ink cartridge and remove any protective tape. Take your new ink cartridge from its packaging. Make sure to remove any protective tape or plastic seals that might prevent ink flow. 5. Align the new cartridge with the correct slot. Identify the appropriate slot for your cartridge, typically color-coded, and position the cartridge accordingly. 6. Gently push the cartridge into the carriage until it clicks. Insert the cartridge into the slot, pushing it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. 7. Ensure the cartridge is securely in place. Double-check that the cartridge is seated properly and that it's not loose, as this can affect printing performance. 8. Close the printer's access cover. Once the cartridge is installed, close the access cover to finish the installation process. 9. Check for any error messages on the printer display. Look at the printer's display panel for any alerts or error messages that might indicate an issue with the cartridge installation. 10. Print a test page to confirm proper installation. Finally, print a test page to ensure that the new cartridge is functioning correctly and that the printer is operating smoothly.